Asitaolava back on the floor. And here's Eric Meng over to Jimmy Alapag. Again, James Yap loses the ball.
Well, Jimmy trying to be very fancy. Obviously, hindi naman ini-expect na ipasa pa yun. No alley-oop there for JC Intal. The ball was not thrown properly, no?
At timeout naman dito kagad ang North team. 2:47 to go in the second quarter. Back in a moment.
Welcome back to the 2010 PBA All-Star Game. I'm with Joe DeVance. Joe, that was a great dance number that you did earlier. And tell us about it.
I mean, I'm a dancer at heart. You know, I'm the best when it comes to dancing. You know, I mean, that's what I do.
Well, I asked actually Coach Tim Cohen, and he said, you know, Coach, how come you didn't dance? And he said, you know, I might just upstage Joe.
That's a great. He doesn't want to thank him for that.
Right. But did he teach you some dance moves?
Yes, you know, he teaches me every day dance moves in practice with the defensive slide. I mean, it all goes together, you know.
All right. Thank you, Joe. Back to you guys.
So you mean to tell me, ang nagturo kay Joe DeVance was Tim Cone?
Well, bakit naman hindi pwede?
Vanilla Ice.
Meantime here, Asitaolava making both free throws. And the North's lead has been cut down to only 2, with Asi having 8 points in this ball game. Tim Cone using 2 big men, Asitaolava and Eric Mech on the floor at the same time. Sol Mercado, Baguio was there to interrupt his move. And Sol steals it. Artadi gets an free.
So great connivance there between Sol Mercado and Paul Artadi. And here's Eric Meng with a miss. Rebound para kay JC Intal. 4-point game for the North. Arwin Santos goes up.
Arwin Santos. Well, you can see obviously na hindi mabilis ang balikan ng depensa dito ng South, no? Especially their small men. James Yap. Oh, still missing at point-blank range.
And here's Intal. His lob pass hit the rim. Intal with a layup from a pass by Gabe Norwood.
Plenty of time yet before the end of the first half.
Nice panay pa sa labatan ng A&A Plaza Hotel, the official residence of the PBA here in Puerto Princesa. Meantime, here's Mercado, 3-on-2 break. Sol Mercado, and that alley-oop was foiled by James Yap. You know, in an all-star game, Dr. J, if you foil, if you bother an alley-oop play, technical foul dapat. Killjoy eh.
Yeah, kaya nga eh, dahil talagang we're supposed to really enjoy the movements of all the players here.
Our score is 70-62. In the North, despite their size disadvantage, using a lot of their speed, a lot of their hustle, and a lot of their energy to lead this game. As we go inside, a handy fix, 30-second timeout. Handy fix. Ang first aid ng bahay mo, Bonsall, and seals all.
Well, as you mentioned it, sometimes malaki nga isang team and they should dominate if you have a half-court game. If you go to Asi and Eric Mech in a half-court game, obviously the other side, the North would have no players to defend against them. So, ginagawa naman ng isa, hustle dito, create turnovers, force missed shots, and just continuously push up the ball. You got Anatadi and Solomon Mercado. Both of them are like jets that keep on running, you know.
Here's Baguio. Yeah, Baguio's been very active since the start of this game. Because ito yung format that pabor na pabor kay Cyrus Baguio.
Yeah, itong game na ito para kay Cyrus, para kay Tubit, guys like Artadi, Mercado, bagay talaga itong ganitong klaseng laro, mabilisan.
And Bajao Seafront Restaurant. Ako, napakasarap dito. Like to thank Mr. Mike Mendoza, Chris Mendoza, and Mr. Wilfredo Moreno for graciously hosting Solar TV at the Bajao Seafront Restaurant, your seafood restaurant by the bay. Fantastic food. Fantastic view.
Thank you, Don. Okay. Sol Mercado really trying to make a statement here in his first All-Star stint.
Here's Jimmy for 3. Yes, sir.
You can never just look at this guy shoot a 3-point shot because, you know, you're going to get burned.
Now here's Arwin Santos. 6-point game in favor of the North.
A good chance here for the South to cut into this lead. 30.9 seconds. Still a lot of time. Actually, maybe 2. Kung mabilis ito, 3 offensive plays pwede.
Alapag. Kick out. James Yap. Here's Eric Meng. South still with possession. But then they lose it and they retrieve it. And James Yap is fouled.
Nobody wants to give James a layup. Nobody wants to give James a layup. All the opponents, they do everything against James Yap. Kaya natatawa na rin si James. Pati yung crowd na-react na rin talaga. He's having not a very good shooting night. Pero alam mo, babawi yan.
And he makes the first free throw. Now when you're in Puerto Princesa, visit and stay the Microtel Hotel Resorts. The same great hotel everywhere you go. For inquiries, log on to www.microtel-palawan.com.
Well, everywhere in the world, medyo kilala naman yan. So James comes up with a wag there after making his second free throw.
2 seconds to go. Arwin Santos for 3.
Hindi na inabot yung tira ni Jimmy Alapag, and it's not gonna count. It's not gonna go in anywhere.
Arwin Santos finishes the first half with 13 points. And the North lead 76-69 at the end of the first half. So great first 2 quarters for the White Shirts representing the North. Kaya't lamang po sila ng 7 puntos at the end of the first 2 quarters ating 2010 PBA All-Star Game. We'll be back with more festivities dito sa All-Star City, Puerto Princesa.
In Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa, you guys are also involved with this place.
The Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa happens to be our big showcase for local and international. The hotel that is about to finish, hopefully by June, is painted exclusively by Rain or Shine.
We offer 5-star luxury accommodations, but the whole time developing that, we never lost sight of the ecology. Rain or Shine is the company that we use for all of our paintings in the hotel. We even use a new product that they're using that promotes low box paint. It's www.sheridanbeachresort.com.
Let's get those clothes off before I go. You talk about me like you own me, baby, that's not fair. I told you that I had somebody else, you did not care, and now you're talking on the phone.
Mayor Ed, how exactly have you found the All-Star Weekend so far?
Ako talagang, my people are very ecstatic. Sabi nila, talagang ecstatic kami sa pagdating at talagang first time nakita nila yung napapanood lang sa television dito. Nagkakagulo kanina at gusto lahat sumama rito.
Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa Underground River. Yan yung kinikwento mo sa akin dati. What exactly can we expect here?
Well, I'm sure you're gonna enjoy it. It's so hard to describe the place. You have to see it to really appreciate it.
Okay, thank you very much, Mayor.
Urbana ship!
Okay, we are on the boat headed towards the Underground River. Now you can see medyo bumpy yung ride na nag-aalala ako sa camera. Actually, now yung mga kasama ko dito, there you can actually take a look. Guys, first time niyo ba sa Underground River?
Let's get together and get it on. Let's get those clothes off before I go. You talk about me like you own me, baby, that's not fair. I told you that I had somebody else, you did not care, and now you wanna make me out to be some.
We are finally about to head into the Underground River after a boat ride of around 20 to 30 minutes, and we've seen the rock formation so far, and everyone's taking pictures because we've got some amazing natural sights right here before even heading into the Underground River. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna board a boat, and then we're gonna actually see this amazing wonder of the world.